Hello everyone. The viewpoint I chose from this section was lying reasons. Lying is viewpoint I chose from this section was lying reasons. Lying is defined by the book as sending a message with the intent to be deceitful, and there are 4 different types of lies that can be used. The first one that was talked about was the prosocial deception, which is basically telling a lie to save somebody's feelings. Like the one example that I think everybody has probably used at least once in their life is telling a new parent that their child is beautiful when in reality they're not. I think that this one is probably used the most frequently. I would hope that out of all of the different types of lies that are listed, that this is the one. If you're gonna lie, it's to save someone's feelings and without it being a drastic thing. I don't know if I would really agree with the fact that hiding infidelity would be considered a way of saving someone's feelings. I feel like personally I would want to know about that because that's a big lie. And I really don't like being lied to, of all things. Self-enhancement deception was the lie to make yourself look good. This kind of confused me a little bit, but the way that I interpreted the book was that you're building yourself up, not necessarily telling a lie, but withholding negative information about yourself. I think everyone also does this. People don't really openly talk about their faults or negative aspects about their life. Especially if it's a first time meeting somebody or in a job interview. These things are not usually what people are going to talk about. So if that's considered lying, withholding information, then self-enhancement deception is, that's how I interpreted the information that was given in the book. Selfish deception, used to strictly protect yourself by maybe lying about another coworker or saying that you did something when you didn't to make yourself look better. That along with the antisocial deception, I think those I felt like they were really hand in hand, because oftentimes using selfish deception to protect yourself is going to harm someone in the process, which is what antisocial deception is telling a lie with the intent to harm another person, spreading lies or rumors about people. I like to think of myself as a pretty truthful person. I am really, really terrible at lying. Even if I do try to lie, it doesn't usually last very long, and I eventually end up telling the truth. Prosocial deception, I think, it just is what it is, and I even try to avoid telling lies in those fashions, because I feel like telling a lie, when the truth does finally come out, it's going to eventually hurt someone. But that is my evaluation of the viewpoint of lying.